Okay, dear student, today we have seen the word problems depending on the addition and subtraction. Already yesterday we have seen the how to add decimals. While adding the decimal, ones place should be added with ones place. Tenth place should be added with tenth place. Hundredth place should be added with hundredth place. That way we have seen. Okay, now here it is given Rashid spent some amount for maths book and some for the science book, and total it is asked. When it is asked the total, it means we have to add it. So while adding, we have made a vertical arrangement in such a way that decimal point should come below the decimal point, so that automatically the digits, that is 10th place, will be added with 10th place, 100th place will be added with 100th place. So how we will get it now? 5 plus 0, you will get 5. 7 plus 6, that is 13. 3 will be here, 1 is carried. Now before writing the next digit, I should put the decimal point first. Okay, and then I should add. Now 5 plus 1 plus 2, that will be 8, and 3 plus 3, that will be 6. So what is the total amount? Total amount we will get, that is rupees 668.35. Next question I solved, that is the length of the cloth for the shirt and length of the cloth for the trouser, and we can find out then total length of the cloth. Now it is already given to find out the total. It means we have to do the addition. Now values are given in meter and centimeter, that we have converted into meter by using the decimal. Okay, so how we can write down 5 centimeter? 5 centimeter means 5 divided by 100. So we can see that 5 divided by 100 means 5 will be in the 100th place. Okay, so we have written. So what should we write down in a 10th place? 10th place nothing means it will be the 0. So conversion of 2 meter 5 centimeter, that is equal to 2.05 meter. Okay, same way we have done the conversion for this, and we are getting the addition, that is equal to 5.25 meter. That is the total length of the cloth is required. Now next we have solved a 7th question, in which the weight of the some items are it is given there, and we have got what is the total weight. So total means again here we have to do the addition, but for doing the addition, all these kg and gram we have converted into kg by using the decimals. Okay, and we got the addition like this. Now in next exercise, that is exercise 8.6, the problems depending on the subtraction, it is asked that 18.25 should be subtracted from rupees 20.75. Okay, when it is the subtraction and when it is given from, means this from number we should write first. Many of the students are making mistake in this, so please note it that the from number should be written first. Okay, so 20.75 minus 18.25. Now we know that 75 minus 25, that will be 50, and 20 minus 18, that will be 2. Now next we have to subtract this kilometer from this kilometer. Again it is written from, it means this number we are going to write down first, and we will solve it further. Now next word problems, that is question 3 we have solved. That Raju bought a book for rupees 35.65 paise, but he has given 50 rupees to the shopkeeper, and how much he should get it back. Whatever the extra money is there, that he should get it back. It means to find out the how much money he will get back, that will be equal to the money given to the shopkeeper minus the cost of the book. Okay, so that we have subtracted in this way. Now here nothing is there in paise, so that we can subtract this paise. So what we have done, from 50 rupees we have taken out 1 rupee. So how much rupee will be here? That will be 49 rupees will be there. Okay, 1 rupee that we have converted into 100 paise, and from this 100 paise you can subtract now 65 paise, so you will get 35 paise. Okay, that way we have done, and then further subtraction. Now next it is given that the girl has travelled some distance. Total distance she is travelling 20 kilometers something. Some distance she is travelled by bus, and rest will be travelled by auto. So how much is the distance travelled by auto? That will be total distance minus the bus distance. Okay, So here total distance it is given 20 kilometer 50 meter. So 20 kilometer 50 meter means that 50 meter again we have converted into a kilometer. It means we have to divide it by 1000. This will get cancelled. Now we can see that 5 divided by 100, it means 5 will be in a 100th place. So we have written here 20 point, nothing is in a 10th place, say 0, 5 will be in a 100th place, and this is nothing, it means we have to write down 0 here. Same way we have converted what is the distance travelled by bus. All these we have converted into a decimal, and normal how we are going to carry the subtraction, that way we have subtracted. Now next question, it is weight of the total bag it is given, that is 10 kg. Out of that 10 kg, some are the onions, some are the potatoes, and we have to find out how much is the weight of the potatoes. So onion weight plus tomato weight, that we have to add, and that should be subtracted from the total weight of the bag, means from 10 kg. So we have first added the onion and tomatoes weight, and we are going to get it like this. So we are going to subtract this addition from the weight of the bag. So weight of the total weight it is given 10 kg. So 10 kg means what? 9 kg, okay, plus 1000 gram. Okay, that 1 kg we have converted into a 1000 grams. So from this 1000, now we can subtract this gram, and from this 9 kg we can subtract 5 kg. So we will get this required answer. This is nothing but the weight of potatoes.